Hello everyone and welcome back to Phronesis AI Academy. I'm excited to have you here for Module 2. Before we begin today's lesson, let's briefly revisit what we learned in Module 1. Last week, we answered one of the biggest questions of our generation. What is artificial intelligence? We learned that AI is not magic. It is not human intelligence trapped inside a computer. Rather, it is a technology designed to recognize patterns, process information, and generate useful outputs based on what it has learned from large amounts of data. We also explored the history of AI, the different types of AI systems, how AI learns, and why this technology is transforming industries across the world. But understanding AI is only the first step. Imagine buying the most advanced smartphone in the world. It has incredible features, but you only use it to make phone calls. Although you own a powerful device, you're only using a tiny fraction of its capabilities. Many people use AI the same way. They ask it random questions, they generate funny images, they write an occasional email, and that's where they stop. But AI has the potential to become much more than a chatbot. It can become your teacher, your research assistant, your planner, your writing partner, your brainstorming companion, and even your productivity coach. That is what this module is about. This module is not about understanding AI, it is about learning how to use AI intentionally to improve the quality of your learning, your work, your thinking, and ultimately, your life. Let's begin with a simple reality. Every human being faces three limitations. The first is time. No matter who you are, you only have 24 hours each day. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, researcher, or CEO, everyone receives the same amount of time. The second limitation is memory. Every day we read articles, attend classes, watch videos, and learn new ideas. Yet after a few weeks, we forget much of what we learned. The third limitation is attention. We live in a world filled with notifications, messages, social media, emails, and constant distractions. Our ability to focus has become one of the most valuable skills we can develop. These limitations affect everyone. The good news is that AI can help us overcome many of them, not by replacing our thinking, but by extending our capabilities. So let's explore how. Chapter 1. AI for Learning. Many people think learning simply means receiving information. It doesn't. Learning is the process of understanding, remembering, and applying knowledge. Imagine two students sitting in the same classroom. Both listen to the same teacher. Both receive the same notes. Both write the same examination. One student listens once and forgets almost everything after a week. The other reviews the lesson, asks questions, practices what was taught, and applies it to real-life situations. 6 months later, who has learned more? Obviously, the second student. Learning is not measured by what you hear. Learning is measured by what you understand, remember, and apply. Traditionally, learning depended on teachers, books, libraries, and classrooms. These are valuable, but they also have limitations. A teacher cannot always be available. A textbook cannot answer your personal questions. A classroom moves at one pace, even though every student learns differently. This is where AI becomes powerful. Think of AI as your personal tutor. Imagine having a teacher available 24 hours a day, a teacher who never gets tired, a teacher who is willing to explain the same concept 10 different ways until you understand it. That is one of AI's greatest strengths. Instead of asking AI, explain machine learning, you can ask, explain machine learning as if I'm 12 years old. Or you can ask, give me 3 real-life examples. Or, create a quiz so I can test myself. The better your questions, the better your learning becomes. But remember one important principle. AI should never replace learning. It should improve learning. The goal is not to let AI think for you. The goal is to help you think better. Chapter 2. AI for Research. Learning begins with questions. Research begins when we start looking for answers. Research is the process of gathering information to answer questions or solve problems. Businesses conduct research before launching products. Scientists conduct research before publishing discoveries. Governments conduct research before making policies. Students conduct research before writing projects. In the past, research often meant spending hours inside libraries searching through hundreds of books. Today, AI can dramatically reduce the time it takes to begin. AI can help you generate research ideas. It can summarize lengthy reports. It can compare different viewpoints. It can identify important themes. It can even help you organize your findings into an outline. However, there is one rule you must never forget. AI helps you gather information. It does not guarantee that every piece of information is correct. Always verify important facts using reliable sources. Critical thinking remains your responsibility. Chapter 3. Knowledge Management. Imagine reading 100 books this year. Now imagine forgetting almost everything you read. Would all that effort have much value? Probably not. Information only becomes valuable when you can organize it, retrieve it, and apply it when needed. That is what knowledge management is all about. Knowledge management is the process of collecting, organizing, storing, and retrieving information. Many people consume information every day. They watch videos, read books, attend seminars, take online courses, but when they need that information 6 months later, they can't find it. Knowledge without organization is easily lost. The most successful people don't just learn, they build systems for remembering what they learn. Chapter 4. Note-taking systems. Your brain is designed for thinking. It is not designed to store everything. That is why note-taking is so important. Think of your notes as an external memory. Whenever you learn something valuable, capture it before your brain forgets it. A simple note-taking system contains 3 parts. First, write the information. What did you learn? Second, write the insight. Why does it matter? Third, write the application. How will you use it? This simple habit transforms information into practical knowledge. AI can also help organize your notes, summarize them, convert them into flashcards, and generate study guides, making it much easier to review and retain what you've learned. Chapter 5. Personal Productivity Systems. Many people think productivity means staying busy. That is not true. Someone can work all day and still accomplish very little. Productivity is about producing meaningful results. Most productivity problems are not caused by laziness. They are caused by poor planning, disorganization, distractions, and lack of clarity. The real problem is often not effort, it is system design. This brings us to one of the most important lessons in this module. Goals tell you where you want to go. Systems help you get there. Suppose your goal is to become one of the best AI educators in Africa. That goal is inspiring, but the goal alone will not make it happen. You need a system. Perhaps you study for 1 hour every day, read 1 research paper every week, build 1 AI project every month, create educational content every weekend, review your progress every month. That is a system. Systems remove the need to depend on motivation. AI can help you design schedules, prioritize tasks, generate learning plans, automate repetitive work, and free your time for more valuable activities. Chapter 6. AI Assistants. Imagine hiring a personal assistant. What would they do? They would answer questions, organize your schedule, draft documents, conduct research, take notes, help you stay organized. Now imagine having a digital version of that assistant available anytime you need it. That is exactly what AI assistants are designed to do. Tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Microsoft Copilot are not simply chatbots. They are assistants that help you think, write, plan, research, and organize information more efficiently. But here's something many people overlook. The quality of AI's output depends largely on the quality of your instructions. If your instructions are vague, your results will likely be vague. Learning to communicate clearly with AI is becoming one of the most valuable professional skills in the modern world. Conclusion. As we conclude this module, I want you to remember one important lesson. AI is not valuable simply because it exists. It becomes valuable when you use it intentionally. Use it to learn faster. Use it to ask better questions. Use it to conduct smarter research. Use it to organize your knowledge. Use it to build systems that help you become more productive. Technology alone does not create success. People who know how to use technology wisely create success. Knowledge alone is not power. Applied knowledge is power. And in this new age of artificial intelligence, your greatest advantage will not come from having access to information, because almost everyone has that. Your greatest advantage will come from knowing how to learn, organize, apply, and transform information into meaningful results. Thank you for joining me for Module 2. I'll see you in the next module, where we'll continue building the skills you need to thrive in the age of artificial intelligence.